Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, there are new coupons to print. One thing I do recommend, if you guys do print coupons, definitely go to like Swagbucks and My Points and print coupons from there. Basically what you guys can do is you guys go to the website, you sign up, and then every time you print coupons, it actually kind of takes you to the coupons.com website through the website, if you guys kind of get me. And you get 1 point for every coupon that you print. And then you guys will get 25 points for every coupon redeemed. Now, it could take several weeks before you get the 25 points. But you guys know what? This is how I save up for a free Christmas, just by printing coupons. I save up my points and I usually redeem around Christmas time. With everything going on right now, I've been kind of redeeming a little bit more just because you never know with this site. But what I end up doing is I go to Swagbucks with one account on one browser, and then I go to a different browser with my husband's phone number, and I print off coupons there because usually you can, print them twice from each website. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that, but I do have referral links below if you guys do want to join. It gives you extra points when you do join. So here are the coupons to print. So they added some Aveeno Baby, the Blue Buffalo. A lot of this stuff was also available the other day. One a day is still available. Nutrice. I'm going to print this off. I don't know if I need it, but there is a deal that I don't know if it's on the same deal, but we are going to see. We got a $5 off Claritin Chewables. That is a really high coupon, $5. But then they got Fairy Tales and all this stuff. These are all older coupons. A lot of Aveeno if you guys need Aveeno. I hardly buy Aveeno, so I'm not going to print that off yet. We got Airwick, $1 off of 2. We got Schick, $4 off of Schick's Women's. Kaopectic, $1.50 off Jergens Natural Glow. Here we got $3 off Purina, 3 different products that they have for $2 off of 3. Rolaids, we got $2 off. I'm going to print that one off just because. Rogaine, here is a Schick Quattro for Men or whatever, $4, and then here's the Schick disposables. I don't get Schick in my inserts anymore, so I love that I got printable coupons. Plus there is digital coupons. We got Dukalax, $2 off Aveeno Hair Care. Right Guard, $4 off of 2. Aveeno, Claritin. So those are that. And then they also have these Feline Greenies. This coupon might be a deal today at CVS. I printed it off to see if it is a deal. But this coupon does not expire till September, you guys. September. So if you're thinking of doing that deal, or if you know you buy greenies for cats, go for it. You never know. So they got Nutro for dog food. They got this $1.50 off Fruit Twisters Popsicle. I think $1.50 off is a good coupon. I printed that off just because there might be an Ibotta deal. I really want to start doing Ibotta shopping, so I might start doing that soon. I'm just kind of waiting off on that. Burt's Bees is still available. The Biotin, all that stuff is still available. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that. So, like I said, I go to Swagbucks with my phone number, and then I use Chrome, and then I have Firefox that I use, and then I go to My Points, and then I print coupons also with my husband's phone number under coupons.com. So, that's how I do it, so I can print at least each coupon at least 4 times if it lets you. So again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys all later, and bye-bye.